So once again, good afternoon. So this is in relation to peace and order because everybody knows, and it's a public knowledge what recently happened to the acting election officer of this party of Lumunan. So Madam Chair, I move for a resolution giving resistance act of violence perpetrated against a polling officer, an acting election officer for this party of Lumunan and Barcelona del Norte. The late Mark Orlando Iglesias, Sigan, who sought to visit continuous